Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to RB channel, Rashid channel, and it's Friday 16 today, and I'm on my way to the mountains again for the evening to go and visit some of my friends, and yes, to have a wonderful barbecue night inshallah again. And thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for subscribing it. And I'm going to show you the mountains in the evening, how beautiful it is. Yeah, just watch the full video. Thank you. There's not so much heat over here, and it's about to be sunset. The time at the moment is 6:10, and it's very beautiful. I'm going to be there at the night. Believe me guys, this place is awesome, and it's very beautiful to come and visit this place. You can see all this. It's very beautiful, and I'm just reached over here. This is the time for the dates, but still it needs to be ready. And this place, you can come sit with the family, make barbecue, and stay the night if you want, if you're not scared. Because in the valley, it's hardly some guys there can come and stay, yeah. But this view, this place, it's very beautiful. You can see that place. That is a place. They have lavatories over there. You can come and sit. To show you the view, I'm going to give you the clear picture. Cost me alone. This time, it's evening before sunset. Looks beautiful. The dates. It's a lemon tree. At this beautiful place with these green grasses, I have reached at my destination, and let's go. This is not cold. This is the place. This is the water. It's coming from all the way. From here you can see, giving the water to the vegetables and the grasses and the mangoes. There you go. Let me show you the fresh mangoes over here. Once again, I'm back to the same mango world. Wallah, this place is beautiful. All mangoes are here. To get some fresh mangoes, I can't find the soft one. Everything is hard over here. I don't know. Let me check this. No. Because this mango, it won't be yellow. The color stays green, okay, and from inside it's going to be soft. I'm going to show you this place is very, very old. It's more than maybe 60,000 years ago. This is the house either, if you can see. This place still, this house is there with a door. This was all houses. They used to stay in this. This is the valley. It goes all the way inside. I've been there 5-6 times till the top. Can't go at this moment. I'm not wearing my hiking shoes. This is the valley. This is the farm. There you go. If you can see, it will go all the way inside till the top. This place is so peaceful. This is the valley. It goes all the way inside. I've been there 5-6 times till the top. Can't go at this moment. I'm not wearing my hiking shoes. This is the valley. This is the farm. There you go. If you can see, it will go all the way inside. Then I come sometime over here and sit and think about these people, how they used to stay over here in these houses. I mean, like, there was no roads over here in this mountain. All the way there was just camels. They used to go by walk. How they used to live. This is the place. You can see behind me, yeah. This place is amazing. See this wonderful valley over here, and we are about to move on that farm, the other one. This is the way we are getting down over here. 1, 2, 3, done. And the other team members are coming behind me. I'm going to show you them. This all are here, and we are moving to this farm to have some fresh mangoes. Let's see if we have a good luck to grab some of them. Yeah, and there we go. We reached here. This is the place. We're heading towards this farm. It's going to be evening. You'll see this beautiful view in this valley. It's very beautiful. It's dark now from over here. As this mango is from this tree, it was fallen down. I've not stolen it yet, but it's juicy really, it's awesome. This is a very old place. I guess so. This is the mosque over here. It will come and stick over here. There you go. This was the place, the house of the people. Yes, it's a mosque. I was not wrong. You can see it's a very old mosque which was built by the local Badus over here. There you go. You come and see this place over here. The farm. And there are some places over here. This is closed. Look what I found over here. There are fresh dates. Luckily I got some to eat. You can see over here. Alhamdulillah. It's a big thing because this is the starting of the dates. You won't find it in the market. But yes, I got the fresh one and I'm lucky. Barbecue place. We are going to break some of the wood for the charcoal. So we don't have an axe, by the way, yeah? We are going to smash it. Bismillah. We're going to break it and keep the woods apart so we can make the barbecue. It's a mango tree. There we go. We're going to put the fire for the chickens and everything is ready. It's at the evening time now. Put some more for the other side. I'm gonna place them. There we go. We are in between the valleys. It's night 8 o'clock. We have just put on the fire for the barbecue. I'll show you the valley. It's very beautiful. There we go. We're putting spices. We are putting the spices on the chicken for the barbecue. Come closer, have a look with the chicken. And we are going to put some olive oil on it. And we are going to grill it this time. Hope it tastes good. That one we are going to cook. Also, some sauce for it. The onions are ready, some green chilies, the tomatoes are here. And let's mix them. We're going to mix some beans. And some onions to mix them up. Guys, this is the final one. The beans are ready. I'm just putting a little bit mint for the taste, so it should smell good and bring a better taste. There we go. The chickens are ready for the grill. I'm going to place them. This is the first chicken. We're going to spread it. I'm going to take the second one. And this is the second chicken, if you can see it. It's being spiced and it's ready for grill. And everyone is waiting for the dinner. And let's see, yeah. Let's go. It's done. Close it from the whole one. Close it from here either. It should not come out. It's done. Because I don't want it fell. There you go. Chicken is ready for the barbecue. Let's go. Hold this. This is the first one. And we're going to bring the second one and keep it for this. There we go. The charcoals are ready and it has been placed. And we're going to put the chicken. Place it. There we go. Bismillah. And we'll wait for 5 to 8 minutes and we'll change the position for it. Yeah? Please like the videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support, guys. I'm gonna place it here. Small. Grip na vega. We're going to place some little bit olive oil for the chicken. I wish I could have a brush at this place. In the mountains, it's very hard to get it. This side is cooked, you can see it. I'm going to put a little oil and I'm going to place it back. We'll just keep it for exactly 10 minutes more. It's going to be cooked, yeah. I think so the chicken is ready. When I came to remove it, done. Oh, gone. Yeah. Hi guys, I've done with my barbecue and moving back to the home. It's night 11 o'clock in Dubai. Thank you for watching my channel and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, yeah.